What's up, world? This is J.O.N. coming to you live and direct from the upper room. And this is the making of Slow Down. So with this song, I started with the drums and the bass. The drums are printed, as you can see, but it's actually, I did the drum beat on the MPC. For this song, I felt like I needed that. Sometimes I use FL for drums, sometimes it's MPC. It's usually one or the other for me. And it's depending on the song. And then I play bass. I added this guitar part. Whew. Feels so good, don't you agree? I like to put little cool things, ear candy in my productions. Just if you hear it, you hear it. If you catch it, you catch it. You know, if you don't, you don't. If you did, that was for you. And so, with the bass and the drums on this song, on this type of song, it was important to lay it back. And when I say lay it back, I mean like play it behind the beat. So with the bass, if you notice, it's not, even the drums, like I just got them off the grid just so it had a certain feeling pocket to it. So that's very important. You know, even if you quantize, it's important to unquantize, if you will, and just make it feel human. I'm a sucker for some oohs as far as background vocals. Just carries them like a baby. And now in the bridge, you have the combination of all the initial elements. The bass, the drums, the oohs. And a good hack for breakdowns, something that always works. Bass and drums, solo. Do your research. In my studies of listening to music, a breakdown with bass and drums always works. Once again, my name is J.O.N. We're live from the upper room, and this was the making of Slow Down from the Slow Burn EP by Eli Derby and J.O.N. Peace.